everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. And if you're new here, my name is Emily, and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a first impressions and unboxing of OHM Beads' June collection. This collection will release on June 4th, and I'm so excited to see some of these beads for the first time in person. So it's actually right beside me in this tissue right here, and I can't wait to show you. Now, June is also an extra special month for me in regards to OHM Beads because I had the amazing, insane, crazy opportunity to be the June OHMistry Project. So my bead design will be releasing this month on June 19th too. If you do want to know a little bit more information about my bead design, I do have 2 videos about it, which I'll link here and here, maybe on the screen somewhere over there, so you can kind of take a look and take a little peek at that. I will also show a little bit more about my bead design on here as well. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm actually enjoying some delicious peach matcha green tea from DAVIDsTEA. I actually made this iced, and oh, it is so good. It is so delicious. I love that it's finally starting to feel like summer in my area, so this is the perfect time to enjoy some iced teas. If you do want to know how I make this, I do have some IGTV videos quickly showing how I make a quick and easy iced matcha, but if you would like to see a YouTube video about that as well, please let me know down below. I'd be happy to make that for you guys. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if anyone else is like me, but with packages storing current thing that's going on in the world, I'm like extra careful. So I don't actually have the envelope right now. I kind of get rid of that. I safely open everything, and I have the tissue. And then I have a bunch of little goodies to show you. So we have 3 OHM Beads bags. I love their packaging. Like, it's just so cool with their logo and their little pouches. We also have some amazing stickers, which is, oh my gosh, it looks amazing. They look so cool. And then I also included, this was mailed separately, but I also included my little bead box in case I want to show you guys a little quick peek of it as well. So anyway, let's open this bag first. I'm not even sure what I'm going to be pulling out. This is so cool. Okay, this is the one that I looked up. This is an Australian exclusive. This one is the Rainbow Serpent. This is called Wagelin. This is an Australian exclusive for OHM Beads, and it is based on a religious kind of symbol, like this little serpent in their Aboriginal history, which is really cool. I don't know too much about that, so actually let me just quickly look at this and I'll tell you a little bit more about it because OHM Beads sent me a couple little notes about it, which I'll share with you guys. This is so cool. So it has a lot of cool details going over the silver, so probably representing the more rainbow details. So he is really cool. Even the little face details are really cool. I love that he's kind of spun around, so when you put him on a bracelet, he'll look like he's just kind of entwining around it, which I think is really cool. So let me pull my phone here and I'll just read to you a little bit more about what OHM Beads has to say. So the Wagelin can grow angry and cause storms, thunder, lightning, and cyclones. They control life's most precious resource, water. Some say the Wagel is the creator of all things. And then it is a powerful symbol in the art and religion of Aboriginal Australia. The snake and the rainbow are seen as similar in shape, and they both suggest the cycle of the seasons and the importance of water in human life. So that's a little bit more information about this silver bead. So this isn't exclusive to OHM in Australia, and it's so cool. I'm actually really excited to style with this. So I was actually born in the year of the snake, so I think that's kind of a cool little meaning for me with this little guy. So that's pretty cool. Okay, moving along, we have another OHM pouch. So let's see what is inside. This one is so cool. Okay, this is Walk the Walk, and this just sounds like so fun. So it's actually in, let me try to hold it up for you guys. It's in a little shoe box, and hopefully you guys can see that. So cool. And then it's actually a pair of shoes. So this is so adorable. I love that it's packaged just like a shoe box. Oh my goodness, I need to open this. All right, so we got it open almost here. So I'm really excited to see this. Okay, so it's just like a shoe box. So you guys can kind of see that in the screen. And oh my gosh, it's wrapped in tissue. Like your shoes would actually come. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, and they're the cutest little pair of shoes. Look at all the detail on the laces. Oh my gosh, and around the edges. And then the little OHM symbol is like hidden on the side of one of the shoes. And they're like kind of done up by the strings of the shoes. This is so, oh my gosh, in the bottom of them. Oh my gosh, there's so much detail in the bottom. I love these, and how it would go in a bracelet. Like, it's just kind of like they'd be dangling, you know, if you were to tie your shoes and drape them on something, that's exactly how it would look. This is so fun. So a little more information about these is that these are a OHM in Thailand exclusive, and they were inspired and created by Long and OHM's first shoes she ever purchased as a child in this exact style. So she loved to play high school basketball and really loves this style of shoe to this day. So I think these are so cool. I think so far these are my favorite because they're so cute and I love the detail, and I can just picture like having some fun styling these on different things. I think even as a pendant this would look like super cool, like dangling down. So that's really cool. So we have the cool serpent and the shoes. Oh my gosh, and I love, love, love that they come in a little shoe box. It's just like the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna put them back in the cute little, oh my gosh, this is so, so cute. All right, and we have one more little package to open here. So let's take a little peek inside. Oh my gosh, this one I'm really excited for. So as soon as I saw photos for this that OHM sent me, I was like, I am so excited for this bead in particular. So this is the OHM Time Machine, and oh my gosh, it is packed with so much detail, like from every angle. Even how like it goes on your bracelet is so cool. It's so different. So it's like a dangle because of where it goes through on the bracelet. It'll dangle down a little bit, which is kind of fun because it'll kind of move like it's actually, you know, going back in time or maybe going into the future. Who knows where this time machine is gonna go? Where would I go if I could go anywhere back in time or in time? I have to think about this. If you could only take one trip. Okay, let me know, you guys. If you could go on one trip in the OHM Time Machine, where would you go? Would you go to the future? Would you go to the past? And if you're going future, past, wherever, where would you take it? And here's a little bit more information about the time machine. Maybe you want to go forward into the future to see your great-great-grandchildren or flying cars or cities under the sea. It's all at your fingertips with your own little time machine. Just set the year, month, day dials on the dashboard, fire up the engine, grab the lever, and let's go. So this will be releasing on June 4th, and it's just, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna have the hardest time deciding what my favorite one is, but I have to say, like, there's so many good books about time travel and all of that stuff, and I really enjoy a lot of those types of books. I love science fiction, fantasy, so I probably will say this one's one of my favorites for this little collection launch. And as mentioned in the beginning of this video, my OHMistry project with OHM Beads is also releasing in June. It's on June 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific time zone is when the Don't Give Up bead launches, and this is the box art that I'm holding. I do have a video talking about the story of this bead as well as the stories and inspirations of what inspired me with the design concept. This bead is just so near and dear to my heart, and what is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get emotional again, you guys. What is just so special about the video I just posted was receiving so many amazing messages on Instagram, on YouTube, on my email from you guys telling me your own don't give up stories, and they just truly touched my heart so much. And you guys are just so strong. You guys are so amazing, and I really feel blessed just to have this community. You guys are just, honestly, I wish I could hug you all. Just, it's so amazing just that we have this little community where we can talk about jewelry and different things like that, but also kind of talk on more of a personal level too, and talk about our experiences and how we got through them and different things like that. So thank you so much for sharing your stories with me, and I just appreciate you guys reaching out to me so much. It just warmed my heart. So my bead's called Don't Give Up. I got to draw the box art on it. It is a mountain bead with like a light side and a dark side, and it really is a bead that tells a story but also has a message of don't give up on your dreams, or whatever it is you're going through, you can succeed in it. And then I'm actually wearing my bead on my O pendant right now next to Kicking Peaches, which is my Pretty Charm Life, Nicole's OHMistry project for the month of May. I just thought it'd be cool. She's my bestie, and I'm like, well, why can't our beads beside each other. So I just thought that was really cute. So I put them side by side. And then I also have the unicorny glass beads beside it. So it's kind of a little mini design on here for now. I will be doing a styling video of different ways of style my Don't Give Up bead, and then also showing you probably a more permanent design. But this bead's so special to me. I want to try to find a way to pretty much almost wear it every single day, just because I just really love seeing the message behind it, and it's just such a cool bead. Really brought like all my dreams for this bead to life. They did such an amazing job creating it, and I just, oh my gosh, you guys, I can't get over it. It's amazing. So thank you so much again to OHM Beads, and also a huge thank you to this community, because I would not have this opportunity without each and every one of you. You really made this dream come true for me, and I'm gonna get emotional again. I keep getting emotional, but I really appreciate it, you guys. So just thank you so much for your love and support. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different beads that are releasing for June from OHM Beads. I'd also love to know which bead is your favorite from the June release. Please let me know down below in the comments section. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.